Je m'appelle Riya et aujourd'hui on va discuter les pronoms sujets or the subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are used to replace a person or a thing. Now let us take an example. Robert was an unwise king. He was the king of 7 kingdoms. Now in this case or in this example you can see that Robert is repeated. So we will replace Robert with he. Since Robert is a person, so this can be replaced with he, right? Now what are the subject pronouns? So subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you and they, right? Now let's talk about the subject pronouns in French. So we have je, which means I, tu means you, il means he, elle means she, then comes nous, which means we, vous means you, il means they, and elle also means they, but then the difference is elle refers to the male group and elle refers to the female group. For example, there is a group in which everybody is male, then in that case we use il. Now there is a group जिसमें everybody is female, तो उस केस में we will use elle. Now for example, a group है in which there is a combination of both male group as well as female group, then in that case हम लोग il ही use करेंगे. Now we are going to talk about a difference between tu and vous. So ये करने से पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये जितने भी हैं these are singular and ये सब plural है. Alright, now tu is used जब हम बात करते हैं हमारे सामने जो इंसान है that and we are talking to him. You are looking beautiful, you are kind, you are gentle. So there is one person involved. And vous is used when we are talking about when there are more than one people. For example, you all sit down, you all can do this. So here more than one people are used. Now there is another case or the another difference. Tu is used in informal situation. Okay, for example, if you are talking to your friends, so in that case you use tu. For example, tu es gentil. So here you are talking to your friend or maybe your parents, so that is an informal situation. But if we talk about vous is always used in formal situation, and vous is always used when we are going to give respect to the person in front of. For example, if you are talking to your boss, so in that case we always use vous because that is a formal situation, right? This is all for this video. In the next video we are going to talk about the conjugation and we will discuss the conjugation of the verb être. Merci.